Loosen our legs. Move our hands along with our body. Lokan karunan hands bazoom. Laci sober lagi ya. Itu baik. Touch the floor, come on. Relax the body completely while you do this. Come back to the center.
Again, assembly, then the first of plaster, do the sana. As Bakra was a Puna and Puna Desh Bana. Second, the art of living, the Jal Baran Prasita, art of living foundation.